My name is D. Woods, and this is Wyatt. I just want to thank him so much for coming out and enjoying doing business with us here at D's. Him and his mom and dad over there, they're a little shy, but we're going to thank them as well. Wyatt, is there anything you'd like to say about your experience at D's, bro?
Thanks.
Thanks. That's a good one. That's a good one. We got Mike here, and I'm sure Mike has been enjoying going back and forth with him for the last 2 weeks. I mean, a lot of people have been trying to get this truck, and we've been holding it for him, and I'm really glad and honored that he's able to get it. Thanks a lot, okay?
Yeah.